In this video, we'll balance the net ionic equation for NaOH plus FeBr3. This is sodium hydroxide plus iron 3 bromide. So the first thing we do is we balance the molecular equation. I've already balanced the molecular equation here with these coefficients. Next, we write the states for each substance. So sodium hydroxide, strong base, that's soluble. Bromides in general are soluble. Our iron 3 bromide, our sodium bromide, those are soluble. They'll split apart into ions. And then the iron 3 hydroxide. Hydroxides in general, unless they're with group 1 elements like sodium, they're insoluble. So this is going to be insoluble. It'll fall to the bottom of our test tube as a precipitate. So FeOH3, that's the precipitate in this reaction here. Now we can split the strong electrolytes into their ions for the complete ionic equation. And that'll look like this. So this is the complete ionic equation. Everything here is going to be aqueous except for our FeOH3, our precipitate. This is going to be a solid. So we keep it together because it's a solid. Now we can cross the spectator ions out. They're on both sides of the complete ionic equation. Reactants on top, products on the bottom. 3 sodium ions here and again in the products. Those are spectator ions. We'll cross those out. 3 bromide ions, and again in the products, spectator ions. We cross them out. What's left, that's the net ionic equation for NaOH plus FeBr3. I'll clean this up, write the states. We'll have our net ionic equation. So this is the net ionic equation for sodium hydroxide and iron 3 bromide. The atoms, they're balanced, and if you look at the charge, it's balanced as well. 3 plus, and then 3 times 1 minus, that's 3 minus. Net charge of 0 in the reactants. Since this is neutral, net charge of 0 as well. This is Dr. B with the balanced net ionic equation for NaOH plus FeBr3. Thanks for watching.